Hey, what's up guys? This is Polly. For today we are attaching this Wi-Fi card into my PC. Currently I am using a USB Wi-Fi and I decided to convert it into a PCIe Wi-Fi card with Bluetooth in it. So let's get started. This is pretty straightforward. We just need to attach the Wi-Fi card in the PCIe slot. We first have to remove this though. Before we attach this Wi-Fi card into the PCIe slot, important thing to note is that there is I think this is a USB port. No, this is not a port, this is a hub. I don't know. I think this is for the Bluetooth and you have to attach that using this. So the other end was for the PCI, for the Wi-Fi card, and then the other end you attach it into the USB USB pin in the motherboard. There's a little bit of a problem, so I don't have an extra USB pin inside the motherboard. I am currently using it for the front USB hubs. So I'll try to use this without plugging this into a USB pin. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so I've attached the Wi-Fi antennas into the Wi-Fi card. So let's see. I put it into Windows, and yeah, the problem is if you don't put the USB into a USB pin, it will not detect a Bluetooth. It will not detect the Bluetooth for the Wi-Fi card. The Wi-Fi PCIe card. The Wi-Fi PCIe. Anyway, yeah. So we managed to use the Wi-Fi, but no Bluetooth. So at least I get a free USB slot at the back. That's it. Yay! Thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.